Does this Feel Good Knees program actually work?
From what I've gathered, it's built around these 5-minute daily rituals.
5 minutes.
Yeah, that's all.
That's it.
That's it.
That seems pretty manageable.
It does, right. And they're designed to be really easy to fit into your routine.
Okay.
They also really emphasize posture and alignment.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Using specific techniques to correct any imbalances that might be contributing to the knee pain.
So it's not just about the knees themselves.
Exactly. It's about the whole body.
Fascinating.
Yeah, it's a holistic approach.
I like that.
Me too.
And it looks like they have some pretty impressive testimonials
They do.
from people who have seen big improvements in their mobility and pain levels
That's great.
after using the program.
Yeah.
One person even said they could go hiking again,
Wow.
which they thought they'd never be able to do.
That's amazing.
I love those comeback stories.
They're so inspiring.
They are.
Yeah, it's one thing to hear about the science behind a program, but it's another thing entirely to hear about how it's actually changing people's lives.
You're right, those stories are powerful.
They are.
And speaking of impact,
Yes,
one of the things that really stands out about Feel Good Knees is that it's really accessible.
definitely.
Right.
Yeah, they seem to get that traditional treatments like surgery and medications
Mm.
and even physical therapy
Yeah.
can be super expensive.
They can.
And not everyone can afford them.
That's true.
So Feel Good Knees offers a much more affordable option,
Right?
which makes it a possibility for way more people.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it is.
Especially for folks on a fixed income
Exactly.
who might not have a lot of wiggle room in their budget.
Right.
And to top it all off,
Yeah.
they even offer a 60-day money-back guarantee.
That's awesome.
Right.
So you can try it risk-free.
You really can't lose.
No, you can't.
So if you're even a little bit curious,
Mm-hmm.
it's definitely worth checking out.
I agree.
That's fantastic that they do that.
It is.
It really shows that they believe in their program,
Mm,
and they want to make it as easy as possible for people to experience the benefits.
absolutely.
So if anyone listening wants to learn more,
Yeah.
remember there's a link in the description.
Great.
That will take you right to the Feel Good Knees website.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is great.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here,
We have.
but there's still so much more to explore.
There is?
So we'll be right back
All right.
after a quick break
Sounds good.
to dive even deeper
Okay.
into this Feel Good Knees program.
Great.
Stick around.
We'll be right back. It's really amazing how they've thought of everything
Yeah.
to really address knee pain. Not just covering up the symptoms.
Right.
One of the articles mentioned that even like tiny misalignments in your kneecap,
Oh, really?
yeah, can lead to some serious cartilage damage over time.
Wow. I never thought about that.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Makes you think. We always think of knee pain as just like wear and tear,
Yeah.
you know?
Right. Just from using them too much.
Exactly.
But the idea that your posture and how your body's aligned
Yes.
could play such a big role
Huge role.
is pretty mind-blowing.
It is.
It seems like Feel Good Knees really focuses on fixing those imbalances
They do.
to take the pressure off your joints
Exactly.
and help them heal.
That's the goal.
So how do they actually do that?
Well, they use a bunch of different techniques.
Yeah.
Like specific exercises and stretches
Got it.
to help get your kneecap back in the right position
Okay.
and improve your overall posture.
So it's not just about your knees.
Nope, it's about your whole body.
I like that.
Me too.
And I bet those instructional videos are super helpful.
They are, especially for seniors
Yeah.
who might be a little unsure about trying new exercises.
Right. You want to make sure you're doing them right,
Exactly.
especially if you've already got knee pain.
You don't want to make it worse. And they've even got this thing called a leg release technique.
Oh, what's that?
It's something you do before bed
Right.
to help loosen up any tension
Mm.
and get a better night's sleep.
Wow, that's a nice bonus.
It is.
And you know what else I noticed?
What?
They talk about the mental and emotional side of dealing with chronic pain.
That's so important.
It is.
People don't always think about that.
Right. It's not just physical.
It's not.
There's a whole emotional component, too.
Absolutely.
One of the testimonials even mentioned that
Yeah.
Feel Good Knees didn't just help with their physical pain,
Mm-hmm.
it also gave them this sense of hope.
Oh, wow.
And like, they could take control again.
That's powerful.
It is. Especially if you've been struggling with pain for a long time.
Yeah, it can really wear you down.
It can.
So to have something that gives you hope again, that's huge.
It's like they're acknowledging that pain affects you as a whole person,
Exactly.
not just your body.
It's mind, body, and spirit. Right. And by addressing all of those aspects,
Yeah.
they're helping people create a better relationship with their bodies and with their healing process.
It's a journey.
It is.
And they're providing the support you need along the way.
I love that.
Me too.
It's a reminder that true healing
Yeah.
goes beyond just fixing the physical problem.
It's about feeling whole again,
Exactly.
inside and out.
It sounds like Feel Good Knees is really onto something.
They do.